Very nice Christmas tree. I am done with my appointment. We have 2 more sessions left. The last one will be January 13th, 2026, and I will be discharged from my counseling because I am doing very well, guys. But I'm gonna walk to probably the clinic to hopefully my auntie will be there so I can talk to her. My cousin dropped me off because they were going to the game at the school, so hopefully my auntie will be my ride back. This entire 10 months of counseling has been one hell of a journey. The end, like, look around, look at the elementary school sidewalk, feeling the wind in my hair, just like Rapunzel. Today was the last day with my counselor, Walnita, and then switched to John. I've seen John before. Like, we switched back and forth from Mariah to John, and then Mariah, and then to Walnita. So that's how it worked the last, all these months. But it's crazy discharging. I'm doing pretty well with myself. But yeah, I'm just gonna walk up here to the clinic. Yeah, life is good, guys. Since I set my little mini Christmas tree up at my house recently, check these, the Head Start lights out. It's pretty nice. We got a little Santa air up thingy and all the Christmas lights here. It's very nice. Just look at Santa, guys. Look at him at the Head Start. Crazy. Remember being here over, 15 years ago. Such a cloudy day. Such a musky kind of weather today. Look at this, decorations on their door. Very nice looking. Mini Christmas tree there.
Yeah. It's just a little bigger than yours. Not much.
It's very cool.
Yeah. Well, we had to get in the spirit somehow.
Very nice. You mind if I take this home? See these lights here of the Head Start?
Yeah.
Very nice. Oh, even along the side of the fence too. They have all their Christmas garlands around that. Look, guys, they're rebuilding their refrigerators that they tore out about a month ago, but looks pretty nice. This was all torn out if when I remember showing you guys. Retrieve the items and ready to head back home. I am back to reality, my home decor, and while I was at the trading post, guys, I purchased one of the Santa hats. Let's see how it looks on me. I mean, it's a little tight. Hell yeah, I'm in the vibe. Check me out. The Santa hat fits the vibe. Good morning, guys. I'm in my little PJs, my onesie. We've been having very strong winds. It's actually the number that comes before 8 a.m. Oh my goodness, bro. A tree actually fell. And I got my live reaction too. Tree literally fell, blocking my driveway, guys. Oh my goodness. You see this? From there, and it snapped and it fell right here, bro. This thing's gonna be darn heavy to move, bro. Wow. I'm hoping it's not none of these tall trees here. But this is gonna be a real pain to move. Oh yeah, that's gonna be hell. That's insane. Oh my goodness. The wind is freaking blowing me around, bro. So it's actually been 25 minutes to a half an hour ever since I came out here to see this. I got my gloves right now. I think I'm gonna actually move it. You see how scary this looks? Especially this one right here. Like, if it, see, it's kind of you know, maneuver in this way, like with the wind, if it like knocks through these power lines and it just falls right there. I assume this entire thing right here weighs about, I'd say like 200 pounds, 300 pounds. I'm gonna try to maneuver it probably around this area or probably over there. I'd say around here because it's much closer. Don't want to end up hurting myself. I know I could, you know, wait for someone to help me, but I'm gonna try to maneuver this myself. I gotta be careful not to hurt myself doing this, bro. It's already taking a lot of energy out of me. This might be the dumbest thing I'll do, but I'm gonna try to lift this up from that end and just like kind of tip it over there. I know it's probably gonna be dumb. There's chances I might hurt my back, hurt my shoulders, arms. And I know, you know, probably some family is gonna say, should have waited for someone or asked someone for help. I know, but if this video is already up, it's already over with. It's already done with. But still, you guys are still gonna get on me. Still safe here, but I'm gonna try to maneuver this thing more. A lot of energy out of my calves, my back, my arms, my shoulders. Holy moly. Gosh, bro. This is no joke. Should have waited for someone, huh? Oh my goodness, took a while. I moved this entire 200 or 300 pound tree that fell over during the windstorm. Some leftovers of like broken branches. That was no joke, bro. Kind of reminds me of me helping my uncle flipping over a huge roof. It was a big tin. Took like 4 guys plus myself. I managed to move it myself. Oh my goodness, my arms are just like squeezing. Lots of blood going through. I need my inhaler, bro. It's been like around 10, 12 minutes since I moved that entire tree. My arms are just really feeling it. I might be feeling this for the next, I'd say about 5 days, maybe a week. My goodness. But the sunrise is starting to shine through. It's starting to show itself this morning. Look at it. Beautiful sunrise. Still catching my breath. I already took a puff of my inhaler and drank half a bottle of my water that I stuck in the fridge. But bro, you can see all the sunrise shining on the mountains. But I think that's going to be, wrapping up today's video. I guess that was that was something. That's interesting, right? Oh my goodness. But yeah, guys, it's going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me struggle with that entire piece of nightmare. Please be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and happy holidays, everyone.